Hey friends, welcome to another series on bite-sized screencasts. In this series, we are gonna create an iOS application that will call an API, and we will learn a lot about different things in iOS development. So the project will start from a basic structure like this, and we will end the application like this. So from the outside, the application looks very simple. It will just call a REST endpoint and will get the list of recipes that we will display on this screen. But behind the scene, we will be learning a lot of stuff. We will start creating this application in an MVC pattern. Then we will refactor the code into MVVM, and I will teach you what are the benefits of MVVM over MVC. After we are done with basic MVVM structure, we will also learn about the repository pattern. And after learning about repository pattern and what benefits does it give us, we will learn about dependency injection, which is one of the things that a lot of courses around YouTube or other websites miss. So we will do dependency injection and learn how it benefits us. And after dependency injection, we will learn about binding, how to bind our UI view with our view model. So that is the whole core of MVVM when Microsoft invented it, that views are binded with view models, and how we react to events when something is updated in the view model. We will write our own binding logic. We won't be using any third-party library such as RxSwift, Combine, or Bond. So we will be writing our own very simple class. It will be just an introduction, but it will give you a very good idea. So once you start learning something like Combine, it will be much more understandable to you. Once we have the basic structure of the app ready, I will teach you about unit testing the application. So we'll write extensive unit tests, from testing our view models to view controllers and repository as well. And after unit testing, we will learn about UI testing. And once we have learned about UI testing, the course isn't finished. You have a basic structure of writing the application and testing it. Then we will implement a number of other features as well, like searching, paging, and then we will do error handling as well. And whenever we implement a new feature, we will follow TDD, which is test driven development. So in that, we will write tests first, and then we will write the code. And this series make you an intermediate developer, and when you go into a company for your first job, you will have your basics very strong, and you can start exploring these projects from unit tests and start understanding them much more easily. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.